I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Bell to Telus, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your phone number is eligible for transfer. You can do this by contacting Telus customer service or checking their website. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Bell account number, PIN, and the phone number you wish to port. This information is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 3. Initiate the porting requests. Visit a Telus store or go online to initiate the porting request. Provide the gathered information and follow the prompts to submit your request. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email or text from Telus. This may take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your current phone for any updates. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation that the port is complete, test your new Telus service by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, contact Telus support for assistance. Switching providers can feel daunting, but following these steps can help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new Telus service.